So in a previous discussion, we talked about the importance of stakeholders. We know that in a project management, there are multiple stakeholders that are involved. There are project sponsors, there are project execution team, there are interdisciplinary teams, and there are external parties who are all involved into the project. So in the approval phase, you need to identify who are those exact stakeholders whose approval would be essential. You need to consider who signs the approval, and you also need to consider what are the contingencies. Because thinking about the contingencies, it's one of the most important elements of the project management. You need to consider those factors that may affect the approval process, and you need to be able to forecast those challenges that may affect the approval process. Towards the end of the project charter, you need to highlight the project manager, their responsibility, their jurisdiction, their level of authority, and these things are also very critical. So you'll find that the week 3 section, I have shared a template of a project management charter, and there are also some corresponding answers given for each of those elements that we have just discussed. So this template will give you a very good understanding of how the project management charter document should look like. So on Monday this week, we are again going to reiterate and revisit all of those elements of the project charter. I will bring different case studies of project management and we will talk about project charter. I will split you into small groups and we will talk about each of these elements to form a complete project charter. And this is going to be your assessment 1. So in this slide, I have given you the guidance for the assessment 1. How should you write the project management charter? And these are some specification of the assessment 1. So I would advise you to start planning your project management charter from now so that you can submit within the due date. So I'll soon upload some project management scenarios, and your job will be to select any of these scenarios and write a complete project charter. So I'm hoping to talk a lot about project charter this week, and I will answer all of your queries about assessment 1. So have a look into the project management charter template that is uploaded in Toolbox, and I look forward to see you all in our Monday's discussion.